Hello, this is Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and today I'm going to show you the utility box that we had made for the EarthCruiser and all the items that we put inside. First off, I want to thank all the new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. We make videos of all the cool places that we explore in our EarthCruiser with our two dogs, Rusty and Riley. Take a look around the channel, and if you like the videos that we're putting out, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified when new videos post. The dimensions of the box are 30 inches wide, 33 inches top to bottom, and 15 inches from on the inside from back to front. This is how it looks when it's all packed up. We carry a toolbox. I'll go over some of this in detail, but we carry our tools here, a shop vac, a power cord to plug into shore power if we need to, which is very rarely, a hose for water in the back, a torquing wrench, just because I don't like putting it in the under bay, another toolbox with smaller tools and paper towels, things I need to get to in a hurry. Our def, we also carry some extra fluids in the back, the toilet chemicals, we have a bleach, we have another box of def that we use for when this one runs low, then we put it into there. We have some motor oil, diesel motor oil. There's always a train going by when I'm trying to video. Some straps, some cleaning wipes, and that's about it. This plate is a floating plate and it can come out. The steel is 3/16 steel that I had welded up with a custom welder. A friend of mine welded it together, and this is a piece of channel iron that was welded onto the back. I don't know if this is going to come through on the video or not, and that helps give it some support. We originally had this as our locking system and it didn't work very good. These locks, these normal key locks on the inside that look like that, and I ended up, I think in the upgrade video, and I can put a link to that, I ended up putting these in. These cam locks work great. It keeps all the dust out, or a lot of the dust out. It's hard to keep all the dust out in the places we go, but that keeps everything really super secure, and we don't even lock these anymore, we just use those. So we have a couple of eye bolts on the top for suspending things. This is my ham radio antenna. I'm going to do a thorough review and video on that coming up, but that is on a bracket that is attached to the box, and this is some of the wiring that goes with it and coax. And probably the most important part, open this back up, is the way this attaches. I'm going to attempt to show the bracket here. So this is our spare tire carrier, and it attaches to the back bumper with some big bolts. And so we mirrored that bracket. I don't know if you can see that or not. Try to take a close-up of it. sure if that's coming out or not. But we've got some more channel iron that's attached to the bracket. Apologize for the shaky camera, but that, it's probably coming through right there. So we have some bracing that goes on the inside and then attaches in 3 different places to a bracket that's bolted on to the box, and then just normal hinges welded on, and it's secure. I mean, it is very secure. If you have any questions on this box or anything else about the EarthCruiser, please leave it in the comments below. We'd appreciate it if you liked the video. Please hit the like button, and look forward to some videos coming up of Trona pinnacles. We're leaving there next week, and we're going to try to do some astrophotography with our new camera. We're shooting this on a brand new A7 III, A7S III, sorry, A7S III. There you have it. That is the box all loaded up, and probably has at any given time 60 to 80 pounds in it. This toolbox is pretty heavy. Maybe not quite that much, 50 to 60 pounds. We have had it for about 6 or 7 months, and went all the way to the bottom of Baja, and have done at least 4,000 or 5,000 miles on rough roads with it on there. Haven't had one problem, not one loose bolt. A very well made box. So that is the utility box for our EarthCruiser.